let's put the focus really on the details of that's coming from the army on the series of attempted drone strikes by Pakistan tonight. Now, India has repelled the Pakistan drone attack 2.0. 26 locations. These drones were sent across, sighted at 26 locations. It was all repelled, ranging from Baramulla in the north to Bhuj in the south, in Gujarat. This is along both the international border and the line of control with Pakistan. Now, the Indian Army has also said that it suspected Pakistan even sent across armed drones, which of course poses potential threats to civilians as well as military targets. Now, the army has also given us details of the long list of places that were targeted. We're talking about locations in Jammu and Kashmir, in Punjab, in Rajasthan, as well as in Gujarat. Now, the army has also confirmed that unfortunately one incident has been reported of injuries being sustained to civilians. This is because an armed drone sent by Pakistan targeted a civilian area in Ferozpur, resulting in severe injuries to members of a local family. The injured have been provided medical assistance. We hope that they're doing okay. Prayers with that particular family. And unfortunately, the first report emerging there of injuries. Now, the army also confirming that they are maintaining a very high state of alert and that all aerial threats are being tracked and engaged using counter-drone systems. The situation, the army has said, is under close and constant watch. Prompt action is being taken whenever necessary. Let's bring in Mir Farid and Anmol Bali for the latest updates. And Sunilji Bhatt also is with us. Sunilji, I'll come across to you first. Let's talk about what's happening in Jammu. We're not going to, of course, tell you where Sunilji is. As I told you earlier, this is a sensitive situation. So, Sunilji, tell us really, at this point, we understand that the drones have been intercepted. That's something that's been confirmed also by the army.
Yes, we are at an undisclosed location in Jammu right now, and ever since it got dark today, there were loud sounds of siren as well as of explosions. I myself saw loud explosions taking place in the skies, and there was a drone activity. Pakistan once again, tried to escalate tensions. Pakistan sent a large number of armed drones. But our air defense system was activated. Our Sudarshan Chakra was activated, and we have been successful in neutralizing the drones which were sent to carry out attacks in Jammu and Kashmir. Drones were sent to target the important military installations. There is total blackout in Jammu and most parts of Jammu and Kashmir. Situation remains very tense, whether it's Jammu, Srinagar, Avantipura, Nagrota, Samba. There are many places in Jammu and Kashmir where drone activity was witnessed. There were armed drones, and since our air defense system was activated, so all the drones have been neutralized and the security forces are on alert mode. Even now, we can hear the sound of sirens right now. As when I am filing this report, I can hear the sounds of sirens, and intermittently I can also hear sounds of loud explosion. The administration has appealed to the people that they must confine themselves to their homes. They should not venture out, and that is the best way to save yourself in these very testing times. The administration has also issued helpline numbers, and officials have told people that in case there is any emergency or they require any kind of help, they can always contact them on the helpline numbers, and the necessary help will be provided to them. But Akshita, it's not just Jammu and Kashmir. Pakistan has resorted to this drone activity even in Punjab, in Gujarat, in Rajasthan, all along the India-Pakistan international border.
And let's just talk about
Bhuj,
Punjab right now. Sunilji is reporting
Gujarat,
from Jammu.
Rajasthan,
And thank you, Sunilji, for that report. Stay safe out there because we can hear the sirens also. We're going to give you a brief breather so you can also ensure that you're in a safe location. I'll bring in Anmol Bali, who's joining us live from Punjab right now. Anmol, one worrying incident being reported from Ferozpur, and there have been images of that coming in also of what seems to be and one particular civilian area where there was a fire. First suspected that it was drone debris. Now some suggestions that this was actually an armed drone that hit a civilian area. Any confirmation on really what nature of incident this was?
Akshita, the incident took place at Firozpur, the bordering district with the Pakistan, where it was seen that while the Pakistan was firing drone towards Punjab, because we have seen yesterday also Pakistan has fired many drones towards various of the Punjab's districts which are bordering with the Pak border, and today also they have fired, but this time they have hit a civilian area where we have seen the drone has hit a civilian area where the three members of a same family, one woman and two men, have sustained burn injuries, and later they were taken to the hospital and now they are being treated. But yeah, here this has shown the real nature of the Pakistan, which has now started targeting the civilian areas, because earlier it was seen that Pakistan was targeting the military establishment. Now their frustration has reached a level that they are now targeting the common man, the civilian. And currently I am here in Pathankot. It was seen that around 8 that shops were closed and the sirens were on and the police men were on the ground, and around 9 we have seen around 4 to 5 drone attacks by the Pakistan which were neutralized by our forces, and we have seen around 26 locations today saw the drone attacks by the Pakistan which were neutralized by our forces, because we are using modernized technology. On the other hand, the Pakistan a failed state, we have seen the condition of failed state and their military equipment. So clearly, Akshita, the administration is on the ground, the military is working around the clock. They're keeping eye on various things like intelligence, technology, social media to keep calm around North India. Akshita.
Okay, so alerts being issued by our authorities asking all citizens to take necessary precautions, not to step out unnecessarily. And of course, there are sirens that are going off to warn and preempt if there's any strike coming any Downs way, so that the people can be adequately prepared. Anmol Bali reporting there from Punjab and getting us the latest on really the situation across the state. Like I said, Firozpur is at one incident that's been reported. Otherwise, all other drones in 26 locations where the drones have been fired by Pakistan, all have been intercepted. And we're giving you a glimpse really of the different locations where these drone attacks were attempted by Pakistan, which was quickly, of course, thwarted, repelled by our forces using our robust air defense system. So right up from Baramulla to Bhuj in Gujarat, the entire 3,000 plus kilometer stretch that we share with Pakistan along our border of North and West India, you've seen multiple such incidents of drone strikes. And just as yesterday, just as last night, again, immediately, all of these drones intercepted by our air defense system. Now, how exactly are we ensuring that every single drone that Pakistan sends our way, every single missile that Pakistan sends our way is immediately intercepted and there's zero damage being reported?